So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm actually doing this video from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and I've been in Malaysia for a week now because of some traveling policies that I did not know when I was living in Australia. But we'll sit down and talk about that. So for now, I just want to go outside and explore the streets of Malaysia. I've been here for almost 5 days now, but I haven't got time really to go out as much because I've been trying to work on these transit visas and stuff. So yeah, I think the day looks good, and that's the view that I'm having from my window here, which is so nice. Like I can see the train tracks, the road, the streets and stuff, as you can see here. I think it's so fascinating. The only disadvantage with this room is that it's so noisy. Like, I don't know, it's so noisy, very, very noisy, for the reason that you know. Guys, so I'm in Malaysia and I'm actually just transiting to Nairobi because I have to wait here for my transit visa to the countries that I have to do layover in being processed. So that's the thing. But for now, while I'm in Malaysia, I decided maybe to So I'm just here at the Malaysian restaurant. I haven't eaten since yesterday, so I just pop in here to try and get something to eat. I'm really famous, like I haven't eaten anything. I don't know, I'm starving like hell, but I don't know what to say, but I've really been struggling to get restaurants around here. Look at that.
Pay first, free.
I pay first, I pay you. Okay, I have to pay first, by the way. So yeah. How many ringgit?
3.
3 ringgit. There's a lot of fun here going on, and there's a lot of noise in the background. That could be the case. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but it's just so crazy. Look at this fun around. Like it's just making a lot of noise. And I didn't bring in my the external why did I do that? I didn't bring in the external microphone, but all good anyways. Guys, look at this. It's so amazing. I don't know what it is, to be honest, but it looks so yummy. Like I can't wait to, you know, try this food. It's so hot. Malaysia is hot. Everything is hot. I hope they didn't put some pepper in it. Like, it's just so crazy, but I think I love it. And then I also have rice here. I forgot the name of this meal actually, but either way, I'm just gonna enjoy it. So yeah. Alright guys, so put my camera there. Like that. And you guys are just gonna look at me eating this food here. Then yeah, I'll eat the street, but looks nice, looks yummy. Think I like it. I like this. So what you call this?
Aniko.
Aniko.
Yeah.
Now, if I buy Aniko, like this, How much?
10 ringgit.
10 ringgit. So, where's my camera? So like this one here, guys, if I buy it, it's 10 ringgit. And there are 10 pieces of them in here. So I'm gonna pay 10. So 10 ringgit, you know how much that in dollars? No, maybe 1 cent or $1 something. Yeah, but I buy, okay? I buy this one. Thank you so much, ma'am. Say hello to my friends on YouTube. Say hello.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. She says hello, guys. So subscribe if you haven't already. So this one's not 1 ringgit, right? Okay, I pay now. Okay, I pay
Are you
you.
hungry? You
Yeah.
can take one.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Maybe I give you this hand. Good.
Okay,
Thank you.
20 from you, so
Thank-
your change 10 ringgit.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
Have a
you.
nice day.
You too. Alright guys, I'm out of here, so I'm gonna go to the Twin Towers. Around here, yeah.
You can go there and take bus. It's free, shuttle bus.
Oh, free.
Yeah, they say over there.
Oh,
You can ask people over there.
okay. Take me to Twin Towers.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Alright guys, see you there. So I'm back actually to my hotel. I'm back at my hotel now, but I just realized in the streets here it's just so hard, like even to walk around, because the traffic lights, people don't really follow them ish. So when I was walking as a pedestrian, I don't know when to cross and when not to cross, because even though like there's a green light on that I should walk, but you see, but like the people with motorbike still, you know, going, and some cars still turning, and the green light is on that pedestrians should be passing. So it's a bit confusing. Like, you just have to be careful, because like in Australia you can't do that, but I think you just get used to it and you adopt. You know, it's just so crazy. But so far so good. Yeah, I think they say when you go to Rome, you do what Romans do. So I'll get used to it. But anyways, I'm supposed to be leaving Malaysia tomorrow for Nairobi, so all good anyway. But it's a good experience so far, except that when I left Australia, we are in winter in Australia, but when I arrived here, it's just heat and heat and heat. So it's a great change, which is okay. I know Kenya is gonna be the same, but yeah. Anyways, enough of ranting. I just grabbed juice because it's too hot. I got this one, and yeah, so I'm just gonna try and cool down here. Again, if you haven't subscribed, guys, consider doing that, and share my videos. Yeah, love you guys.